Candida here, and I was sent the Inklab Ice Cream Maker in exchange for my honest review. When we open it up, we've got our user manual, we've got the ice cream blades, and of course, we've got our ice cream maker. Now, the first thing we want to do before we get started is wash all of the parts so it's going to be ready for us to go. And the user manual includes 9 recipes, so we can start making ice cream right away. Now, once we wash the parts, this is called the freezing bucket, and we want to put this in the freezer for at least 8 hours before we start making ice cream.
I'm going to use the vanilla recipe in the recipe book. It only has 4 ingredients: milk, sugar, whipping cream, and vanilla. So it's super easy to get started with, which is a good base. And as soon as I get everything mixed up, what I want to do is put this mixture in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. That way all of the flavors have a chance to get together.
Now that our bucket is frozen, I'm going to simply stick this in here, make sure it's lined up and in place. I've got the rotating shaft and mixing blade in place, so now I'm going to simply put this on, lock everything in place. Okay, now that everything's locked into place, I'm going to plug it in. And then I'm simply going to pour the mixture in. It would help if I had a pouring spout, but as you can see, I made a little bit of a mess, so I'm just going to clean that up. The timer is set for 40 minutes, and so now it's going to make ice cream.
So in a matter of 30 to 40 minutes, I'm going to have dessert ready, which is amazing. So we can have fresh dessert every night. I can add in chocolate chips just to give it a bit of a flavor, or any other topping to make it unique. And I am amazed at how quiet the machine is. It's not super loud, it's not distracting, and so quick dessert and quietness, that's amazing.
Okay, our ice cream is done, and now it's time to taste it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love the fact that the ice cream machine only takes a few ingredients. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes, and it doesn't take very long to make some scrumptious ice cream. And just for reference, the motor does come out, and it makes it super easy to clean up, which is always a plus. So I'm gonna go enjoy some ice cream now, and I hope you found the review helpful.